Assalamu alaikum learners, how are you? I hope you are fine and safe at your homes. I am Rahila, your history and geography teacher. Class 7, unit number 1, it's your 7th lecture. Learners, this is your history book. Its name is Understanding History for Class 7. This is unit number 1. Learners, open your book, page number 2. The topic is the rise of Islamic civilization. Now we start reading. The Roman Empire comes to an end. The Roman Empire had reached its highest point in the 2nd century CE, but it took another 300 years to decline. The Roman civilization was gradually replaced by the rise and spread of Christianity. Despite the persecution of the early Christians, the conversion of the Byzantine ruler Constantine, the emperor of Rome, to Christianity in the early 4th century was beginning of Rome's decline in the eastern part of its empire. At the same time, with corrupt rulers, weak government, and attack by barbarian. Barbarian means uncivilized people. Tribes from North and West Europe in the 5th century CE. The Roman Empire collapsed in 476. The fall of Rome meant the end of a highly developed way of life in education, literacy, architecture, and the role of written law. Europe entered the period known as the Middle Ages, which lasted for nearly 1,000 years, c. 500 to 1500, from the fall of the Roman Empire to the Age of Discovery and the Renaissance. This period is also known as the Dark Age because of the collapse of law and order and civilized life and the lack of interest in knowledge. The eastern half of the Roman Empire, known as the Byzantine Empire, continued under rulers like Heraclius 610 to 641 till their defeat by the Ottoman Sultan Mehmed II in 1453. Sultan Mehmed II made Constantinople the capital of the Ottoman Empire, renaming it Istanbul. Learners, on this page there is a map which shows the spread of Islam 630 to 1600. Learners, now open page number 3. The topic is the rise of Islam. Islam as a religion took root in the holy cities of Mecca and Medina in the Arabian Peninsula by the time of demise. Demise means the time when something ends. Of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, in 632. All of Arabia and converted to Islam. Hazrat Abu Bakr Rahmatullah alayh in his short tenure. Tenure means the period of holding any office or position. 632 to 634. Further consolidated. Consolidated means strengthened or made firm the religion in the peninsula by defeating false prophets and rebels. The next victory was the defeat of the Byzantine Empire, and as a result Syria also came under Muslim rule. Under the rightly guided Khulfa Rahmatullah alayh, especially Hazrat Umar Rahmatullah alayh, Persia, Egypt, the Middle East and North Africa became part of the Islamic Empire. The extent of Muslim influence stretched from the borders of China in the east to the Pyrenees Mountains in the west, covering the Indian subcontinent, Central Asia, the Middle East, North Africa, Sicily, and the Iberian Peninsula, Spain. Hazrat Usman Rahmatullah also strengthened the frontiers of Islamic Empire. The next topic is emergence of Muslim dynastic rule. After the role of rightly guided Khulfa Rahmatullah ended with the martyrdom of Hazrat Ali Rahmatullah in 661, the Muslim territories came to be ruled by different dynasties, and each in its unique way contributed immensely to Islamic civilization. Arabs, Persians, Turks, Moors, and people from Central Asia contributed in terms of scholarship, art and architecture, administration, Spain, science, and technology. Islam was taken beyond Arabia by the Arab armies under the Khulafai Rashidin Rahmatullah alayh, Ummids and Abbasids, as well as by traders, travelers, and scholars. After the Khulafai Rashidin Rahmatullah alayh, the Ummid came to power, followed by the Abbasids, whose rule ended when the Mongols under Hulagu Khan, also known as Halaku Khan, captured and destroyed Baghdad in 1258. The Abbasids were succeeded by Seljuks, Ottomans, Mamluks, Fatimids, Ayyubids, Safavids, and Mughals, who extended the frontiers of the Muslim empire. All of these dynasties represented the culture and civilization of Islam as it developed over a period of time. Learners, on this page there is a picture, figure 1.2. Hulagu orders impressment the Abbasid Caliph. Learners, now turn page number 4. The topic is the Ummayyads 661 to 750. The Umayyad dynasty was established by Amir Muawiyah Rahmatullah Alayh, and it expanded the Muslim territories within a century of its coming to power. In 711 to 712, an army led by Tariq bin Ziyad crossed the Strait of Gibraltar and conquered all of Spain right up to the Pyrenees Mountains near the borders of France. Also in 711 and 712, another army under a 17-year-old Arab general Muhammad bin Qasim conquered Sindh up to Multan. A significant development during the Umayyad rule was the establishment of the navy, thus leading to further successes. Muslim rule was strengthened with the conquest of Spain. Cordoba was the capital of Umayyad Empire in Spain. This period saw great growth as knowledge, science, arts, architecture, and scholarship were patronized. The Ummayyads also built canals to supply water and roads to improve travel for trades and pilgrimage to Mecca and Medina. Arabic was made the state language and a postal service was introduced. In the Middle East, the Umayyad dynasties came to an end in 750 when the Abbasids defeated them. Abdul Rahman, the only one of the Umayyad who survived, re-established the Umayyad dynasty in Spain, where it ruled for another 300 years. A remarkable civilization developed which made Cordoba and Granada grand and highly cultured cities. Muslim rule in Spain eventually weakened and came to an end in 1492. Learners, on this page in figure 1.3, you can see the coat of lions at the Alhambra Place in Granada. In figure 1.4, the interior of the Grand Mosque at Cordoba. Learners, now open page number 5. The topic is the Abbasids 750 to 1258. The Abbasids moved their government to Iraq, where they founded the city of Baghdad, which became their capital. Baghdad was famous as the most cultured and civilized city in the world at that time. Their two most prominent rulers were Harun al-Rashid and his son Mamun. Under the Abbasids from 750 to 1258, the civilization of Islam bloomed and came to be known as the Golden Age of Islam. Greek and Latin texts were translated into Arabic and medical schools were set up. Mamun al-Rashid established the Baitul Hikmah, the House of Wisdom in Baghdad. Many places of learning and also hospitals were set up in the main city. The Muslims made great contributions and advances in science and mathematics. The Abbasid dynasty came to an end in 1258 with the attack by the Mongols under their warlord Hulagu Khan. He sacked and destroyed Baghdad completely, killing thousands of its inhabitants. The greatest loss, apart from the human lives, were the libraries which contained knowledge collected and produced by Muslims over the past 5 centuries. The next topic is the golden age of the Muslim civilization. The expansion of the empire under the Umayyads and Abbasids also gave shape to a Muslim culture and civilization. Muslim scientists, astronomers, mathematicians, doctors, and philosophers contributed immensely to technology and culture. They preserved earlier traditions of ancient Greek. Learners, on this page there are two pictures. In figure 1.5, you can see the beautiful calligraphy from an early Andalus Quran, and in figure 1.6, an early Arab drawing of a machine designed for raising water from a lower to higher level. Learners now turn page number 6. On this page there are two pictures. In figure 1.7 you can see the tomb of Umar al-Khayyam in Nishapur in Iran, and figure 1.8 shows a drawing by al-Biruni showing faces of the moon. The circle to the right represents the sun. Learning and translated them into Arabic. Adding their own knowledge, they were able to innovate. Innovate means to develop something new and progress in every scientific field. This development of learning is also linked to geography, as Muslim merchants began to travel the unknown world for trading goods and took their faith to other lands. Their influence over land trade routes from Arabia and to Asia and Africa to Arabia made them wealthy, and they came back with new innovations. Samarkand, Cordoba, and Cairo became centers of learning with universities, libraries, laboratories, and schools. A unique form of Islamic art developed in the writing of manuscripts. Calligraphy as an art form was used to mosque and building as a decorative medium. Since Islam does not allow the depiction of the human form in inlay work and geometrical patterns in tile work became typical of Islamic buildings. Other dynasties. Some other dynasties that also ruled the Muslim territories after the Abbasids were Fatimids 910 to 1171. They were based in Egypt where they founded their capital Cairo. Their empire stretched from eastern Arabia and Syria in the east to Egypt and northern Africa up to Morocco in the west. Seljuk 1037 to 1194. They were of Turk Persian origin and were mainly based in Turkey. Their empire covered Turkey, Uzbekistan, the Persian Gulf, and Oman. Ayyubid 1169 to 1250. The dynasty was founded by Nuruddin Zangi and was based in Syria. Its most famous ruler was Salahuddin Ayyubi, known for his chivalry. Chivalry means courtesy towards women and generosity. Mamluk 1250 to 1517. Mamluk means slave in Arabic. This dynasty came into being under rulers of Turks and Mongols origin. After the death of Salahuddin, their empire covered Syria, Palestine, and Egypt. Learners do reading carefully, learn vocab, and write on loose sheet. After reading, you can search the questions of these given answers easily. Take care. Allah Hafiz.